Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to wear headphones comfortably and easily. These will be some tips that actually work, so let's get right into this video tutorial. So these are essentially 5 simplistic tips that actually work and will allow you to wear headphones comfortably and easily. Now, I know that it might seem like it's, straightforward and obvious how to wear your headphones comfortably and easily, but a lot of people are uncomfortable when they wear their headphones just because they don't know, exactly how to do it the proper way. So these are 5 tips. Let's get into these simplistic tips, okay? I'm actually parked on a side street in my neighborhood. My kids are taking a nap and having some quiet time. My wife's at home sort of watching them, and I wanted to film a couple videos, so she said, go film them. But I'm in the car, and her Bluetooth kept connecting to the car, and I didn't want her phone calls to come through my videos, so I just went down the street. So I just saw my neighbor, and he just waved at me coincidentally. Anyways, I'll have to explain why what I was doing talking to my window, even though he probably didn't see the camera. That's why. Believe it or not, a lot of my neighbors don't even know that I have a YouTube channel. Some of them do, but a lot of them don't even know. But anyways, let's get into these 5 tips. That intro dragged on way too long. I'm so sorry. Number 1 is get headphones that actually fit your ears. So there are different sizes of headphones. These are like a medium, small to medium earphone type. And then there's larger ones, and there's even smaller ones than these. You want to obviously judge the size of your ears. And I'm not saying to say, oh, I have big ears, I have small ears. No, just look at the size of your ears, okay? There's basically there's a certain size of headphone, and essentially you either want it to go around your ear or sit on your ear. Very simple. And you want it to be intentional. Some people like headphones that go around their ears, so you're going to want to get the extra large type. Other people like headphones that sit on their ears, that sort of cup on their ears. Then you're going to want to get the small to the medium type. It's up to you, but get headphones that fit your ears and how you want them to fit your ears. That's a better way of putting it. Don't look at whether your ears are bigger or smaller than average. Just look at what type of headphone you want in terms of how you want it to sit on your ears. That's number 1. Number 2 is to adjust the circular opening. Most headphones, almost all headphones, okay, will have an opening like this, okay, that's a semicircle, and you can adjust this. Some of them you're gonna have to clamp something or pull a lever, but most of them you can just slide them up and down. So obviously if I tried to put them on the smallest setting, okay, look, not centered on my ear. So I would need to adjust this to make them centered on my ears, okay? So I pulled them down, I opened them up a little bit to make them centered on my ears. Tip number 3 is to place them properly on your ears. I think there's an emergency vehicle that's gonna drive by. Yeah, no big deal, just so you know. Number 3, once again, place them properly on your ears or over your ears. I just saw like a fire chief driving by in one of those SUVs. By the way, my brother-in-law is a fire chief, so shout out to Kale, my brother-in-law. Sorry, he's a fire captain, a firefighting captain, not a chief. Chief's like the big, and he's a captain of his crew, of his platoon. So shout out to Kale, my brother-in-law, my wife's brother. Thank you for all that you do, brother. No pun intended. All right, anyways, because he's, I call people brother, and he's my brother. Brother-in-law. All right, so once again, number 3, place them properly on your ears, okay? So literally, you want to get the headphones, and you don't want them to be like this. Nope, not going to work. You also don't want them to be like this. Not going to work. You want them to be obviously in the right, sizing, but you got to place them properly on your ears like this, just like that, okay? So yeah, very, very simple. Place them properly on your ears. They're going to feel more comfortable. And side note about my brother-in-law, his name's Kale. So if you live in Toronto and you know a Kale, it's such a rare name. Chances are it's probably my brother-in-law, so I'm talking about him. That's it. Props to you, Kale. Anyways, number 4, I gotta someone. If you see this and you know my brother-in-law, send him this video because he's probably gonna die of laughter. Okay. Number 4, ensure the padding on the headphones is in good condition. Okay. So these right here, as you can see, are all tarnished up. They're torn up. These are I think these headphones got to be 10 years old, maybe. I got them a long time ago. I basically only use them for when I'm using my computer late at night, and essentially, and I'm doing work on my computer, and I'm editing videos or I'm uploading videos, and I don't want, I'm getting videos ready to be uploaded, and I don't want my kids to wake up because I don't want it to be loud. So essentially, I only use these rarely, but these, they're not uncomfortable, but they can get a little bit scratchy because of the tarnishing of the padding. So if your paddings are, if your pads of your headphones are not in good condition, you want to replace them. You can replace just the pads, believe it or not, or you can replace the whole thing. But you can see, look, it's already coming off on my hand. You can kind of see over here, there's already some black marks. So that's going to end up on my ears. So, I only... I just hit myself in the glasses, almost in the face. I only use these rarely, but if I use them more often, I would definitely be replacing them. Okay, yeah. So ensure the padding is in good condition. And last but not least, number 5 is to get the wire out of the way. So when you have your headphones on, oh my gosh. Oh, there's all black little specks on my shirt and my pants from that. See? You see what I'm saying? Like, they're really, I think I need to replace these. Anyways, if your wire is always getting in the way, it's going to be annoying, it's not going to be comfortable, get it out of the way. So, you know, I'm assuming you're talking about wired headphones. If you're dealing with wireless headphones, then no worries. You don't need to worry about this step. But when you're dealing with wired headphones, you want to make sure the wire's out of the way. So do whatever you want, whatever you have to do to get that wire nice and out of the way so it doesn't bother you, because that will make you uncomfortable and it's a little bit annoying. And that's it. That is essentially how to wear headphones comfortably and easily. Tips that actually work so you can be a little bit better off when you're wearing your headphones. If you like this video tutorial and tip video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.